This is Jeff Tait with TableCraft Products here today to make some pulled pork in my backyard here in Chicago. Really excited about this. Got a 10-pound butt here. Gonna get this seasoned, rolled up, and put on our egg here. I like to smoke around 250. What's nice about pulled pork, you can go anywhere from 225 up to even 300, 325, depending on how much time you have. So excited about that and ready to get started. First step is to rub mustard all over the meat in a really thin layer. That's going to let the rub adhere to it. Second step is going to be just rub the rub liberally all over the meat. Make sure that you can't really overpower it, so just keep using it as much as you can. I like to buy the rub in 5-pound bags and then transfer it to a shaker in smaller portions for easy portioning. Every 2 to 3 hours, I do like to spritz the pork with apple cider vinegar, hitting any dry spots to make sure that the pork stays nice and moist. So one of the butts is in there ready to go. I like to pull it off around 180, 185 to wrap it in aluminum foil to finish the cook and then get it to about 200, 203 degrees or so. Got this pork butt to 201 degrees after we put it back in the smoker. So now I'm going to transfer it to a cooler, wrap it up some towels, let it rest for 2 to 3 hours, then we'll be ready to eat. For pulled pork, I like to use a combination of cherry and hickory. It tends to give the pork a really good flavor. Gives that wood smokiness with a little fruit flavor on it. So we use hickory and cherry for this. All right, now the pulled pork's ready. You have some sandwiches for everybody. Or you can use this on nachos, salads, tacos, a lot of different uses for pulled pork.